Hello everyone, here is another computer video. This is I can't really say it, but it's a Toshiba dual core. It's about 4:07, 4:08 a.m. That clock's a couple seconds slow. But I thought I'd do a quick YouTube video on my laptop here. I got the docking station, as you can see, channel. Getting ready to go to bed. I just having a hard time getting to sleep. You know, it's hard sometimes, and I kind of had a rough night, which I'm not going to get into that. I don't like talking about my personal life on here. It's got a fingerprint reader, which doesn't work. I got like a 260, 250 gig hard drive in it. It's got Bluetooth. 4 gigs of RAM. System properties. I'm gonna make this video pretty short, but I probably won't upload it until I get up. I'll probably do it tonight anyways, just so that it's up and I don't remember, because I'm gonna forget. It's a dual core, 2.35 gigahertz processor. 4 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system. Now, I'm just curious to see out of this, to see how big. See system information. See how much is the video card. Because I never had a laptop that was more than 256 megabytes of video. I might have maybe 512. But it has 256, which is about standard for a laptop. Would have been cool if it was 512. But I only use this laptop for basic web surfing. Sorry about the phone there. If viewers are probably worried anyways, because of what happened. I had a major asthma attack. And my buddy took care of me. I was with him when it happened, so that's all I'm saying. No more. I'm fine. I'm home. As you can see, look at the time. I really need to get some sleep. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one.